guys, welcome back to my channel. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Bridget and today is a travel day. So if you don't know, I'm going on the Egypt expedition with EF Ultimate Breaks and we're leaving today. So yeah, we're gonna be heading to the airport shortly. It's a little too soon. It's 2:41 in the afternoon. So my flight's not till 7, so I'm probably gonna head around 4-ish to go. But I thought I'd make a quick introduction about how exciting it is. Yay! If you don't know what EF Ultimate Breaks is, they're a travel company made for 18 to 35-year-olds. They specialize in group travel, so go alone and make friends there or bring a friend, completely up to you. I went on this trip solo and had an amazing time. The specific trip I went on was the Egypt expedition. I chose to have EF Ultimate Breaks book my flights, but you can choose to book your own, completely up to you. In the description below is my personalized link to help you save $100 off your first trip with EF Ultimate Breaks. Hello, this is my update. I am in Egypt. I got here like maybe an hour or so ago. I took a shower. I'm in my room. I'm out here eating some Cheez-Its because I'm hungry, but dinner's at 7:30, so they're just a timing over. Yeah, I'm gonna give you guys a room tour in a little bit, but right now I'm just enjoying my balcony. My roommate's not here yet. She's still flying in, so yeah, and it's about 6:10 Egypt time. So I'm gonna probably flip over to my eSIM and just chill for a little bit. And then I'll give you guys a nice little room tour later. But here's the balcony. Okay, welcome. Let's do a little room tour. So we're in our first stop in Cairo. This is the Egypt expedition. Just to be clear, there's 2 tours with EF Ultimate Breaks. There's the Cruise the Nile, but this is the Egypt expedition trip. And our first stop is Cairo. And this is, I believe, the Cairo Pyramids Hotel. And this is what my room looks like. So this is the front door. Outside, we walk in. There's this nice big closet mirror, which I already have some stuff hanging out trying to de-wrinkle them. And then straight ahead is the bathroom, which is a nice size. It's a bathroom. It doesn't really get too exciting, except for the phone for, you know, emergencies. And then you kind of come out, and then this is it. It's cute. And then of course right here is like that patio that you saw in the beginning. Hold on, let me get through my 6 million curtains. And just like that, it's already day 3 here in Egypt. We started the day off with a quick breakfast at the hotel and then hopped in a bus and rode our way over to the Egyptian Museum, where we saw incredible artifacts and learned about so much history that Egypt has to offer. It was just truly incredible to see it all. But I'm gonna rewind really quick because there's somebody I should introduce you to first. This is Tarek. He's our amazing tour director, photographer, #1 fan of Save Your Tears by The Weeknd, and the fearless leader of the Temple Runners. You've been introduced to Tarek, who you're gonna see his hand pointing out very important facts to me in all these videos. We ended up spending about
2 hours later.
It's true. We did spend probably at least 2 or more hours at this museum, but let me tell you, it was worth it. It was filled with an incredible amount of artifacts and history. Next up, we got back on the bus and we headed on over to the Nile City, located right on the Nile River, which was incredible. And we had lunch. For me, I was starving, so at the time it was good, but later I did not feel that well for giving transparency, but that's just me. After lunch, we are back on the bus one more time, and we are heading on over to Coptic Cairo, where we ended up going to see this church. And then we did see a synagogue as well, which I do have illegal footage of. Whoopsie, but I didn't want to add it in this because I don't want to get in trouble. Anyway, to get back on track, this is where the Holy Family was hiding for about 3 months of time. That's why it's such a big deal of this church. This is where they were hiding at the time, in this cavern. It's like 4 stairs down and 4 stairs up, so it's nothing crazy. I definitely highly recommend going down and checking it out. Next on our grand adventure was the Citadel of Saladin. I really hope I said that right. Anyway, it had this incredible view overlooking Cairo, and if you squint, you can actually see the Great Pyramids from here. The last stop of the day was the Muhammad Ali Mosque, which was built in the 1830s, and it was just truly stunning and gorgeous to be able to walk around and see this place. To wrap up day 3 for you, we finished up here at the Muhammad Ali Mosque, got back on the bus, and we went back to the hotel to just do a little bit of a respite. Then we headed back out for our welcome dinner. I don't have any videos, I just enjoyed the moment. Yeah, so I'll see you for day 4. So today is like day 4 and we're at the Great Pyramids, and this is one of the biggest ones. I'm flabbergasted to say the least. So I don't even know how to put this in like. This is me in like one look. Like crazy. So yeah. Just like, what a crazy day. Like, who has this in the back of them often, you know? Anyway, this is just the first stop of today. Apparently there's 9 periods around here and we're going to see all 9. So, I'm talking to my camera, don't worry about it. Yeah. Day 4 still feels like a fever dream, but this is a shout out to our security guard who took amazing photos for all of us. He slayed, he really did. Some of our group decided to go inside the pyramid, and some of us got these amazing photos by our security guard, because hot girls have claustrophobia. Our next step was the camel rides, which was totally optional for you. If you don't want to do it, you don't have to. It was really fun. I had a great time. Yeah, please enjoy.
Hey,
we're on a camel.
I have never been taller in my life.
Here we go. Oh, we're all walking.
This is just one side.
Oh. Hey. We're currently on the camel. Really? In Egypt, if you can believe that. Yes, please. What a guy. Look at this view. After sprinting on my camel, we now headed off to the Great Sphinx. Would recommend running on a camel, but also would not recommend. My back still hurts. This was incredible to see the Great Sphinx. It was so cool. Yeah, just enjoy me having a cutie little time. I know there'll be a hater, but I went to Pizza Hut for lunch. Look at that view. And then my camera died. Cheers! To end day 4, some of the girls and I enjoyed the pool, got dinner around the hotel, and looked forward to our travel day to Luxor tomorrow. So, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.